2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, heated front seats, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.